go and I'm going to go do a recap on like last week's trade and how they went. First, I'm going to look at Euro UG. This clean went exactly to the line as like the key area and reacted there to show that this is actually a key area. Um, I'm going to be honest with you. I wasn't about that set and forget life. I stopped around this area, closed around this area. I stopped letting it keep pushing. But it is what it is. Next time I'll like just set an alarm when it hits the take profit and I come to it and check if I should close or not. But that's it by the way. So this was the first trade. I went in profits. Then the analysis behind this trade was the uptrend already from the whole daily chart time frame. The price has been moving on an uptrend. It's just like a retracement this area. Then it came to a key area, boom. So the uptrend started happening. So and this was a key area. Price reacted 10, reacted 1, 2, 3, then boom to the upside. We might see like a retracement down to this area, then for another push to the upside, a reaction around this area down to push back up. Okay, that's for AUD, Euro AUD. Then for GBP card, this was this is another trader. I got in, hit my SL, then went straight in profit sadly. And even more, if I did the set and forget, this would have been a good, wonderful trade, bro. Like I always say, it is what it is. Then the analysis behind this trade from the like lower time frame, you see the uptrend, the price broke the uptrend trade line, creating a double top, break of structure, then price reacting below the neckline, reacted to it like 6-7 times above. So let's say 3 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Came again, still reacting again to show that's a key area of resistance. Then push to the downside. This trade, you might see it like maybe come to retest, then push back down. Then for Euro JPY, wanted price around this area, I thought that price would come having more of a push back. I'm deleting this because it's gone, trade is gone. That's gone to our profit and more. So I'm deleting this. So I expected price to have more of a pushback around this area. It did have the pushback, but not as I wanted it to. I wanted more of a pushback to this box, so my SL would be better. But like we always say, it is what it is. You can see price came up, pushed. This would have been good, better entry this area though. Then my SL below this, but this would have been ideal. This entry, then set probably this area. But it is what it is. It's gone. Then for Euro NSD, so the analysis for this one so at first I was thinking no, I had to buy as for this. So if it broke below this, then and retested, then we'll be looking for sales down to this area. But He didn't do that. and and I said if he came above, reacted to this area like and push up, looking for buys, and that's what he did. I'm deleting this. This is still valid in case he wants to come, whatever. So this is a valid one double bottom. You might see like something like a push down, probably then go back up for the sales, for the buy, sorry, to continue uptrend. Then for AUD card, clean trade. Clearly, you can see price has been up on a downtrend for a while since 24th of October, since my birthday. It has been downtrend for a while. Test, test, test. It has done this for over almost a year. Sorry. Test, test, test. I tested it cleanly for over a year. So this will have been very, very clean. If I cut this trade around this, I will just set it to whatever. Set the trade to wherever, because this is a clean downtrend that has been occurring for like almost a year, since the 24th of October or so. Yes, in 24th of October. Clean 1, 2, 3. Clean tap 1, 2, 3. Sorry. But and let's look at the head and shoulders. The left shoulder, head, right shoulder. So what we'll be looking for now, basically on this trade, is going to be a retest to this key area, then down. That's what we're going to be looking for. So this key area, retest key area, then continue downtrend. Ideally, if we're in this trade, we'll just let it be. I was in this trade though, but crazy, I closed it around this. I closed it here. I closed one trade around here, then left another one to run. Put my SL here. Hit my SL, then boom, continue. Like I think the problem is like staying at the chart too much and just let it play out. At least pull my like close some of the trade, then leave leave some to be open and put maybe at my entry area. That's probably better than like putting it in profit. It's not bad too, but that I lost. Basically, I kept left money on the table, like they say. This would have been like a clean 1, 2, 3. Probably even go more for like a 1, 2, whatever, 1, 2, 6, whatever. So that's it. And I think trade is already gone because this is not going to happen again. This retest is not going to happen again because it has already done the retest here. And it's already pushing. Look at the bullish engulfing candle too. So I think it's already gone. The retest has already happened. Bullish engulfing candle. Probably if I'm going to enter, I'll just wait for like retracements on it down on the retracements. Trading is fun when you understand it. For like a retracement up here, then to continue up here, then for it to continue the trend, basically. And you will notice that this is still following a clean trend line. You can see it. Sorry. This is still following like a clean trend line. Look at the clean trend. It's still a clean one, regardless. It's clean. To show you this is a downtrend and it's a strong one. And I'm then on AUDJPY, clean as you can get it to. From the higher time frame, same price has been on a downtrend, almost the same, they're almost similar, same since last year, July or so. Test. Nice test in this area too. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. This is it's a liquidity sweep here. This area, pure liquidity sweep. Then reacting to this key area too. Bullish engulfing. It's just there. Then if you want like for clearer entry, you go to lower time frame. Look for like a change of structure. Just look like for something that shows a reversal pattern. So you probably have to study a reversal pattern. Test this. This is like a table or like a double top, a triple top, whatever. Break below, break out of the box, retest. Boom. Kept on going down. Then the next one was I didn't think anyone. I think that's all for that week, for last week. Basically, this was last 2 weeks. The enter. Like I need to start taking my trades on, because I'm actually that guy. I don't know why I'm not taking the trades, but it is what it is. I'm getting there part of the journey. So the trade for this week is this. Clearly we can see prices on a downtrend, a clean downtrend that be happening just not just for more. I think this one has been for years now. A clean downtrend, downtrend, down, clean one. So now, to be honest, I wanted price to come up here to like have a clean entry and a clean SL. If price came up here, sorry, this would have been a cleaner position because of the SL is below a strong structure, above a strong structure. But it is what it is. But so here we can see like a double, like a head and shoulders pattern forming, already being formed. This is the left shoulder, head, right shoulder. So like looking for a retest of the neckline around this area, then down for, then to continue the trend. This will probably be our target, this area. SL will probably be above this then to lower time frame, probably be above this. So around there, I've already gotten the bullish and engulfing candle waiting for a retest, which is already happening. You can see prices pushing up for a retest to this week. Probably this will be our ideal entry. This we are chasing this or that area I suggested. That's far, probably this or like down. Style realistic, who knows? So probably this is it. This is the trade idea for this week. I'm still watching this because of the price. The market just open. You cannot just jump in. Let this do its thing. If it moves without us, there's abundance of trade. That's the mindset I want to get in. There's abundance of trade. We're not chasing or attracting a lot. Then next ideal trade is this. similar to this. Basically, they moved alike. So the idea for this one was for it to get here to similar. Wanted price to come here, then same with this, similar to. So price has tested this area 3 times now. 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. We might. That's why I'm not going to just jump into any trade because of this. This hasn't really like body closed below this. Once we get like a body closed below this, then probably we'll be thinking of entering two of them. See, this is also clean. You can see. Test this. So once we see a clean entry signal around this area, this probably we'll be looking for like a change of structure around here. This area, once we see something like this, then we'll be thinking of entering. If not, we wait. Then the next trade probably be this one. So probably look at, we notice that this downtrend, downtrend, retest, downtrend, break of structure again. So probably be looking at price breaking out of this box, then retesting. Once it breaks out of the box and retest, then will be good to enter. Now for this, let's look at the weekly. Let's see what it got for us. So to be honest, this trade is tricky because the structure is very tricky. So from like the weekly, we can see, let's try and analyze it together. From the weekly, we can see the uptrend, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. That's what this is. This is it. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher. This hasn't broken this high. So this isn't. This is still struck. This is still like the higher high. These two are higher highs at the same thing. So this is not a higher low, higher high. So this is the higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. This isn't counted. This was like a inducement or so. That's what they will call it. Same. This is the structure here without this inducement. So this is higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. This is what this is. This is what this structure is. So probably it's very tricky. So probably if we see like a break above this, people might be thinking of selling here. I don't know who is right, I don't know who is wrong. Mine is just to use what I know. If I don't see something clean to enter, then I'm not entering. If I'm not sure about it, the avoidance of trades, I'm not forcing any trades. So probably if I see a break of this key structure, then retest, then a change of structure on a lower time frame that looks like buy, then probably I'll be thinking of entering this trade. Then for the next trade I'll be having is this clean. Price been downtrend for a while, a long time. And this is a key area. Price has broken out of the box. This happened, I don't know. I wasn't monitoring this particular pair. You can see that I put this here around here because I wanted price to break. We never broke. So but the break happened here, then retest. The retest happened at this Yeah, it doesn't happen just at not any area, it happens at the key area too. Look, happens here. The retest happens here. That would have been a clean but an ideal entry, but I was on it. My mind, that wasn't what I was focusing on. This would have been a clean entry here because price has broken above it then. So probably the next one will be this. The next entry at the entry will be, you can see, this is what we call like a change of structure. So that will be waiting for. Set an alarm. When it comes to retest, it might leave us. Who knows? But not for signing trade. The next one we got is this. I think this is one of the trades of last week. What is it? Yeah. I wanted price to break out of this box. Accumulation. Price is already on the downtrend. Is a key area. Missed key area. Other price break retest. You can see drawn. Other price break retest did exactly that. Then boom. They're dropping like waterfall. Now what's the idea? What's the next? I don't even know. I think probably we're going to be looking for another sales around this area, depending on how price reacts. If it breaks above this, if it doesn't give us a proper change of structure and breaks above this, then retest, then boom, look for the price. But if that doesn't happen, then we're going to be expecting sales, because look at this left shoulder, head, right shoulder forming, then boom, for the sales. So that's it. I think that's that for this week. Amen. Adios. I think, did I explain this one? Then I think this was last week's trade. This one, I didn't talk about this. This was a loss, but it's still, the trade is still valid regardless. First, we can see the price is already on the downtrend. This head and shoulders pattern is very, very important. It's very key because it appears every time. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, all that. So now the structure is forming below the neckline. So probably we're looking for sales at first around this area. Price is stubborn. That's been ranging around this area for a while. Hit our SL, just hit our SL, then kept on moving. Probably now the ideal entry, because this is like a double top. This is a double top. Now it has done the retest. Bullish, like a bullish engulfing, something like that. So we just probably wait for this to form a good structure. We'll just probably wait for it to break out of this box, retest again, then retest this area instead. Retest this, then an entry. around this area, then maybe stop loss will be this. Or depends on how it's set up. So that's for this week. Adios amigos.